Studies Section 14, Regression Analysis. Introduction. In the last lecture, we considered the measure of relationship between two variables. In this lecture, we shall discuss a measure of the impact one variable called the independent has on another variable, the dependent. We shall also discuss how to make predictions based on the past evidence of the two variables. Objectives. After studying this lecture, you should be able to 1. Calculate simple regression coefficient and thus fit a regression line. 2. Predict future values of the variables using the regression line. Pretext. 1. In the straight line equation y is equal to a plus bx, we say a, y depends on a, b, y depends on b, c, y depends on x, d, none of the above. 2. In the regression equation y equal to a plus bx, a is called the a, intercept, b, coefficient, c, predictor, d, none of the above. 3. In the regression equation y equal to a plus bx, the term that measures the change in the dependent variable for a unit change in the independent variables is a, y, b, a, c, b, d, x. 4. In the regression line y equal to a plus bx, if the value of a is equal to 5, b is equal to 3, and x is equal to 25, predict the value of y. A 40, b 100, c 75, d 80. 5. In the regression line y is equal to a plus bx, a is a 40, b 6, and y is equal to 200. Predict the value of x. A 240, b 40, c 200, d 400. Content. Section 1. The regression equation. The regression coefficient is used to measure the impact of one variable on the other. The relationship between two variables x and y can be represented by the equation y is equal to a plus bx plus e, equation 14.1. Equation 14.1 is called the regression line. In that equation, y is called the dependent variable, x is called the independent variable, a is called the intercept constant, and b is called the regression coefficient. E, called the error term, is often ignored. Equation 11.1 also signifies that we are predicting y from x. For instance, if we are interested in knowing the relationship between income and level of savings, we may use equation 14.1 as follows. Y is equal to a plus bx plus e. Y is equal to amount of savings, x is equal to income level, a is equal to constant, amount saved when income level is 0. B is equal to the factor by which saving will increase given a unit increase in income. E is equal to error term, usually ignored. How do we compute A and B? The procedure is to compute B first and later on compute A. The computation formula is as given below. B is equal to n summation xy minus summation x in bracket summation y in bracket over n summation x squared minus summation x in bracket squared, equation 14.2. A is equal to y bar minus bx bar, equation 14.3, where y bar is equal to summation y over n, that is mean of y. X bar is equal to summation x over n, that is mean of x. Example 19.1. The income and savings of some local government employees is as given below. Income X 7, 5, 10, 15, 13, 14, 8, 11. Income Y 1, 1, 4, 6, 5, 4, 2, 4. A. Construct a scatter diagram. B. Find the least square regression line of y and x. C. How much is an employee that collects 20,000 naira likely to save? Solution. Scatter plot of x and y. We can draw a straight line to pass through some of the points, although there are outlines. B. The required regression line is y is equal to a plus bx. Step 1. In order to calculate a and b, arrange your computation in a table as below. X 7, 5, 10, 15, 13, 14, 8, 11. Y 1, 1, 4, 6, 5, 4, 2, 4. XY 7, 5, 40, 90, 65, 48, 16, 44. X squared 49, 25, 100, 225, 169, 196, 64, 121. The sum of each of the columns gives summation x is equal to 83, summation y is equal to 27, summation xy is equal to 315, summation x squared is equal to 949, n is equal to number of observations is equal to 8 employees. Step 3. Compute the value of b. B is equal to n summation xy minus summation x summation y over n summation x squared minus summation x into bracket squared is equal to 8 times 315 into bracket minus 83 times 27 into bracket over 8 times 949 into bracket minus 83 into bracket squared is equal to 2520 minus 2241 over 7592 minus 6889 is equal to 279 over 703 is equal to 0.3968. Step 4. Compute the value of A. A is equal to y bar minus bx bar is equal to summation y over n minus b summation x over n is equal to 27 over 8 minus bracket open 0.3963 times 83 over 8 bracket closed is equal to 3.375 minus 0.3968 into bracket 10.037 into bracket is equal to 3.375 minus 4.1168 is equal to 0.7418. Step 5. Fit the regression line. The regression line between x and y is y equal to a plus bx. Y is equal to minus 0.7418 plus 0.3968x. C. You are required to find y when x is equal to 20. All you need to do is to put 20 in place of x in the regression line. That is, y is equal to minus 0.7418 plus 0.3968x is equal to minus 0.7418 plus 0.3968 into bracket 20 is equal to minus 0.7418 plus 7.986 is equal to minus 7.1942 is equal to minus 7,194 naira to ratio 20 kobo. Interpretation. The regression line y is equal to minus 0.7418 plus 0.3968x signifies that when an employee receives a salary of 0, that is, when x is equal to 0, he or she will be indebted by a sum of 741 naira 80 kobo. Remember, A is the intercept of the regression line. Also remember that the figures are given in 1000 naira in the question. Furthermore, the regression coefficient b is equal to 0.3968 shows that an employee's savings will increase by a factor of 396 naira 80 kobo whenever the salary increases by a factor of 1000 naira. The student should note that the foregoing regression line, equation 14.1, measures the impact of x on y or predicts y from x. If we are interested in the impact of y on x or predicting x from y, we shall use the equation x is equal to a plus by is equation 11.4. All the terms have the same meaning as is equation 14.1 except that here x is the dependent variable while y is the independent variable. The coefficient of determination r squared. The coefficient of determination r squared measures how much variation in the dependent variable that is explained by the independent variable. It is simply the power of explanation of the dependent variable y by the independent variable x. Its value lies between 0 and positive 1, that is, 0 less than or equal to r squared, greater than or equal to 1. The closer the value of r squared to 1, the better the goodness of fit, that is, the more the independent variable x explains the variation in y. It is computed as follows: r squared is equal to n summation xy minus summation x in bracket summation y in bracket over n summation x squared minus summation x in bracket squared n summation y squared minus summation y in bracket squared. All terms retain their previous meaning. Summary. The regression coefficient b measures the impact of the independent variable x on the dependent variable y. The regression equation can also be used to predict future values of y when the value of x is known. The amount of variations in y that is explained by the independent variable x is measured by r squared, called the coefficient of determination. Its values lies between 0 and 1. This is the end of study section 14. Thanks for listening.